A very good evening to all my subscribers for Trade Ideas. My name is Rain, founder of Forex 100 Academy Private Limited. So, today I'm going to share a swing trade on pound dollar. Alright, and this is what we see over here. The entire market movement is start to create a new structure low. However, at the recent movement, it have created a new structure high over here. If we look clearly in the movement itself, we see the break of structure, retest of market, came down and it retest the market over here. To some, you may know, once it has broken this support line, which often known as the neckline, it is a formation what we know as double top. That's right. Okay, so if we zoom down to 1 hour chart, alright, this is what we see. Allow me to use a different color, I rather box it up for you. So this is the area that we see based on 1 hour chart is a bit of a sideways breaking recent low, forming a new structure low. Alright, so to my students, you will see this as a sideward bounce. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so this is the price that many would look for an opportunity to long, and the target was here. However, once you have spotted the market, or rather the candle has closed lower, is one thing that you have to take note of. It has broken this rectangle formation over here. So we are looking at the market to move to a much lower price action. Alright, so to which level is most likely that we are seeing the next potential profit. So let us take a look over here. When we look left, there is a spike over here, and of course the further level will be this range thereabout over here. Alright, everyone following so far? Okay, so I am pulling out my Fibonacci from low to high, and what do we see? Market confluence, meaning to say that having the candlestick formation itself, this is the region that I'm seeing as a support, and this is another region I'm seeing as a support. So if we move up to the higher time frame, because of this spike over here, you can see that market over here start to create a lower high. But as a 4 hour chart, we do see there is a resistance over here. Market seems to come back down. At this 1.2808 is one of the important level that I see the market might reverse to go higher. However, today I'm looking for a selling opportunity because I have a pretty good reward over risk ratio profile. So let us take a look of what is the initial risk. Allow me to remove this rectangle, or I'll just leave it here. Okay, so let me draw it a bit differently for you. This is the potential profit we are looking at. This is my target 1, and this is my target 2 over here. Alright, everyone seeing it so far? Let me just move it a bit. Okay, so where is my stop loss? I'll place my stop loss at this price. Alright, let me change the stop loss to red. Okay, so it's up to you. You can choose to have your stop loss 20 pips above 1.3048. Let me just show you one trick. Alright, this could be a stop loss, or alternatively you can go down to a lower time frame. That's the reason I choose not to remove the green sideway that we have drawn earlier on. We can use this structure over here to have a tighter stop loss. Alright, so I can draw from here my initial stop from this price. Alright, this is my initial stop plus around 20 pips above. 25 pips above. Alright, that is my initial stop. Alright, thereabout. Okay, so in this case, we often seen that there are two kinds of trader. The first kind, which is the one that we have drawn earlier on, we only want to get penalized when the market really move against them and they have losses because the structure has changed. Alright, so in short, they only want to be penalized when their analysis was wrong. That's the first kind of trader. Alright, but noticing it that the initial stop loss is usually huge. So even by hitting your target 2, you have a 1-1 ratio thereabout. However, alright, second type of trader who choose to have a tighter stop because to them, reward over risk ratio profile is very important. So let us take a look over here and let me duplicate it for you. As you can see how you can magically change your portfolio. Alright, so the first block over here is your initial stop loss for people who are tight in their stop losses. And you can see that by achieving target 1, they already have a 2-1 ratio, and target 2 will have a 3-1 ratio. So it is a call. In a longer time frame, this is known as a retracement trade. Alright, because we see there's a higher low as the market move. Alright, this is the low. Alright, and you have a higher low over here. And a higher low over here. Alright, and you see a higher low, isn't it? So it is a uptrend movement itself. In a general, on the daily chart, it is still stand and is above this black moving average I have. If you go to 4-hour chart, you see there is a break of recent high over here, showing you is a potential uptrend as well. Going to 1-hour chart, break of the neckline of a double top may show that market may move lower, and this will be my final take profit level. So my entry price I'm looking at will be somewhere around this region, 1.2943. Initial stop loss to attain a better reward is the risk ratio profile. You can choose 1.2983, or you can choose to get penalized only if the entire market has reversed. Your stop loss will be at 1.3047. My target 1 in both scenarios will be the same. Target 1, 1.2860. Target 2, 1.2808. That's all I have for you today, and most likely this will be the future format of trade ideas, having a bit of education element to it, to aid you as a trader to be consistent and remind you of some rules you have to keep when you are trading. Once again, my name is Rain, founder of Forex 100 Academy Private Limited. If you only have seen this video after 4th of July, Independence Day, that means you are not my subscriber. Subscribe to us for the first month for only $10, subsequent month for only $100. Alright, once again, to my American viewers, happy Independence Day, and to the rest of you, happy trading days. Alright, I will see you in the next video. Goodbye for now.